Hello class, today we're going to be talking about St. Patrick's Day and why we celebrate this holiday. So what is St. Patrick's Day? St. Patrick's Day is a national holiday in Ireland and it's celebrated on March 17th. Other places in the world, like the United States where we live, celebrate Irish culture on St. Patrick's Day. Some facts about Ireland. Ireland is nicknamed the Emerald Isle. It is located in the continent of Europe, and no wild snakes live there. That's a fun fact about Ireland. Some people thought that St. Patrick was the person that made all of the snakes go away in Ireland, but actually there was never really any snakes in Ireland. And then here is the flag of Ireland. It's green, white, and orange. Who is St. Patrick? St. Patrick was born in around 400 AD. His parents were Christians. He was taken to Ireland when he was 16 years old by a group of Irish raiders. Ireland at that time did not believe in Christianity. He became a slave and worked as a shepherd. He escaped back to Britain after 6 years and traveled to France to become a priest. He traveled back to Ireland to teach Christianity to the Irish. He is the most famous saint in Ireland. Some St. Patrick's Day symbols. This is a clover, which is thought to bring good luck. St. Patrick used the clover to teach people about Christianity. Another symbol is the leprechaun, which is a mischievous magical elf in Irish folk stories. It is believed that leprechauns will give away their treasure if you catch them. It is a tradition to wear the color green on St. Patrick's Day. It is a sign of good luck as well. Today, St. Patrick's Day is celebrated around the world. Countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia, where there are many people of Irish heritage, hold annual St. Patrick's Day parades. People dance to Irish music and eat traditional Irish food. So as part of this lecture, tomorrow we will read the story How to Catch a Leprechaun by Adam Wallace. And as group work, we will design and make our own leprechaun traps. So some things to think about when you're thinking about your design for your leprechaun trap. What materials will you use? We have a lot of materials: shoe boxes, tape, scissors, paper, straws, pipe cleaners, sticks, rolls, and anything else that you can think of. So which of these building materials do you think will work best for your trap? And another question to think about is, how can you make your trap attractive to the leprechaun? So we studied a lot of things that symbolize St. Patrick's Day, and incorporating some of the symbols that we have studied can make your trap more attractive to the leprechaun. And the last question, which is probably the most important, is how can you make sure the leprechaun stays trapped inside your trap? Is there a way for the leprechaun to get in and out? Or can there be a way that the leprechaun can get in and then somehow your trap will make sure that the leprechaun stays there so that you can catch it? So hopefully you can use all the knowledge that you learned from this lecture into tomorrow's activity. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.